Hit the spot. If I should. Greetings kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. So today is super special. My sister is visiting me all the way from St. Martin. I live in the beautiful island of Antigua, and this is our very first time spending a beach day together. After everything we've been through lately, it feels so good just to be in the moment, to have a few laughs and enjoy this Caribbean sunshine
Cheers.
together, and of course have a few drinks.
Hit the spot. This is it. Let's go. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
That is the next one again. That is it.
How you feeling, sis?
Wonderful. Great.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes.
According to Cartel.
Yes, guys. So look at all of you. We're just here relaxing, enjoying ourselves. You know, trying to make up for the past times. You know, you can never fully make up for past times, but hey, as much as we can, we're just here talking, dreaming, planning, praying, hoping, and believing. Yeah. So look at all of you guys. Look at that.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Farms, the last time my sister and I were together was during one of the hardest times of our lives, our dad's funeral. That moment brought a lot of pain, but today we are starting something new. Being here at the beach together is a chance to breathe, smile, and make lighter memories. We're healing one moment at a time.
That is for
fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
How's the water?
Nice. I don't know for you, but nice for me.
I come in.
Before we wrap up this amazing day, as exhausted as I am heading home to cook some crabs I've been saving just for my sister.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I am about to cook some crab and shrimp in coconut milk. So over here we have our frozen coconut that I diced already, so I'm gonna blend and strain. We have some diced up cassava. We also have some pumpkin here, our onions, bell peppers, spinach, okras, green plantain,
We call these edo. I don't know how you all call them, or shoe. We have dashing here. I'm also going to put in some spelt flour, spelt dumplings, and you know whatever else that I put in, I will keep you guys posted where that is concerned. So that is our recipe, or the dish that we're going to focus on today is crab and shrimp. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm not sure if I'm going to show you, I don't think I'm going to show you guys every step of the way, but I will definitely show you the end result. Okay, stay tuned.
I wanna go down and get to know me, baby. In the meantime, get some me time.
It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
I said we have the curry getting started with some turmeric, fresh turmeric grated, with some curry and masala, and then we're gonna add in our grated and chopped up pumpkin with like onions, peppers, all of that good stuff. So we're just gonna allow everything to simmer. Yeah. Then we're going to add in our coconut milk and then put in our provisions. Yeah, and just let it boil. Guys, how am I looking? Again, I'm not going to show every step of the way, but I just wanted to show a little glimpse of the process. Yeah. Guys, coming closer, look at it, look at it, guys. Yup, look at all this goodness, yummy for your tummy. So guys, it's time to put in the provisions. Coming closer. Alright, as you can see, still having some dumplings to put in, so I think I may have to leave back some stuff, or maybe just really, do the dumplings then really small. Yeah. I have to put in some more coconut milk, I should say. Alright. Wonder if I should. Alright, guys, dumplings are in. As you can see, we're like extremely full, but it's gonna work. So the last thing that we have to add on here is the shrimp, and shrimp don't take much space. Yeah, so we're well on our way. I will literally save these crabs so my sister could have some, because I know she hasn't had that in a few years. Well, for those of you, when last have you had crab? That's if you eat them though. My mom doesn't eat crab whatsoever, but if you do eat crab, please comment down below when last you had some of that. And guys, don't come for me, this is my version. I mean, there's so many different ways to cook crab, but this is my version. Yeah, so don't come for me, and trust me, it is quite tasty. Yes guys, so I'm almost done, exhausted much, still have flour on my hands, but we're gonna press through. Yeah, we're gonna press through. We're almost done. So yeah, I wasn't able to show you guys all the steps because like I said, I am exhausted. The last thing was shrimp.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
it's some me time.
You know what you want.
Simmer down.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I New York the shell.
So guys, it is done.
Now my bitches
Completely
is
done.
Chanel.
Right? Just the
Know
right
you be my leading
consistency.
lady.
Flavor.
I wanna coach you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
From the waves to the kitchen, this was more than just a vlog. It's about being in the moment. Sharing laughs, stories, and sunshine with my sister was exactly what my heart needed. Life has its hard moments, but days like this remind me that healing is possible and joy finds a way in. Thank you for being here with us today. Blessings, more life. Cheers.